Hello friends, welcome yet again back to my channel. For those of you who don't know who I am, I'm Victoria Ao. I am a local real estate professional here in North and South Carolina. So today guys, I am touring a community built by Lennar Home called Lennar Chateau. So this community is located in Charlotte, North Carolina, kind of like a little bit of South Charlotte. If you know where Carowinds is a major amusement park. It's a huge attraction here. It's not too far from Carowinds, just a few minutes away from Carowinds. It's right on that border of North and South Carolina. So today we will be previewing this model home here. This model home here is called the Granville. It's a 6-bedroom, 5.5 bath, and check this guys, it's a 3-story home. So right in the front here, you can do the choice of brick or stone in the front. And then as you go around the side, you will see that, you have the choice of the vinyl siding. So one thing about this home guys, the base price is about $398,000 and it's a little bit all over that 4,000 square footage. So why don't you come along with me? Let's check out this home together. Okay, so we are here and kind of like the moment we walk in, you walk into this grand hallway. You do have that option. You can select your color choice and also kind of like if you wanted carpet in one section versus the other. So we're gonna transition over here into this living space area. I love this living space area because I think it's very intimate and it's very kind of private. You can just sit down here after a long day and you have the option if you wanted to hang your TV up there as you've seen, or if you wanted to kind of like put it here. So now we're gonna transition over here to the dining area. So this dining space, it's also very intimate. It's also very private. I think you can hold at least 6 here. Actually, I would even say maybe you can hold 8. It just depends on the style of table that you choose here. But as you can see here from the setup, you can easily sit 6. So that's pretty cool. And then we're gonna transition to the kitchen section here. So this kitchen, guys, you do have the choice, as I mentioned earlier with the flooring, you have the choice as well with the countertops. Now, these do come with granite and quartz countertop, so you do have that option. And you do have the option as well of your backsplash here. But the style of sink, that's pretty standard. And then obviously, right, with the option of like your cabinet spaces, all of that, you have that option to kind of like select what color you want, the finishes, the trim, and things like that. All Lennar homes do convey with appliances. All of them are stainless steel appliances here. That's the kitchen area. So let's check out this pantry here. Very nice size pantry. Now let's go check out the rest of this downstairs area. Okay, so you would have one room downstairs here, which would be here. But this room has been converted into kind of like a showroom. Like I was telling you guys earlier, you could have that choice of brick or stone. So you kind of have a preview of that in here. Brick or stone, for the outer part. So you have that choice and you can kind of see the different options I mentioned earlier with the flooring, the backsplash, your countertops, and even the different styles of cabinets. So that's pretty cool. At least you have that visual, right? So you know exactly what I was saying. And so this actually has the option as well to have a full bathroom down here. And this has actually been converted into a full bathroom just for your preview. And here you can see a full bathroom, a walk-in shower, a toilet, and obviously your sink. So it's a very spacious bathroom on this first floor. All right, so why don't we head on upstairs now and check out the second floor of this home. Now this second floor, guys, what I really love about it is immediately you walk into this loft space. So this second floor is completely carpeted, as you can see. And I love the way this loft is set up with the 2 desks here, 2 desk feature. It allows, for example, if you have little ones, right? You could turn this area into kind of like a study zone and they can do their homework, and maybe after they're done with their homework, they can come over here and relax and just chill out for the evening, right? Maybe play a few games, tic-tac-toe, or whatever, whatever your kids like to do or whatever you like to do. So I completely love that, you know, you utilizing the loft area as both educational and also relaxing. So let's head on over here to our right. Guys, I really love these doors. These are very different style doors because you don't really see many builders, especially down south, building with this style of door. So this is very nice. It makes it feel very modern as well. So let's enter here into the second bedroom here, technically, that we're seeing. And guys, this bedroom right now has been converted into an office space, but you can kind of get the feel of this. Again, I do apologize. As I mentioned, the second floor here is kind of dim and it's also a bit of a cloudy day, so it doesn't really help much. But this has been converted into the office space. I think it's pretty big enough to hold a king size bed. That's one thing I will tell you about Lennar. Lennar, their spaces of their room size and also their closet size are usually very spacious. So I wouldn't worry too much about space if I were you. And then we're gonna enter here. Very nice closet. I like this touch of window in this closet because, I mean, sometimes, right, you don't always need to turn on the light. And so the window allows you to get a bit of natural sunlight in here. If you're one that likes to get dressed in your closet, you can hang a mirror here, right? And just use the natural light to, you know, to get a feel of what you're wearing. All right, let's head on out and check out more of the second floor. This room actually connects with the Jack and Jill bathroom to the other room. So we're gonna step through this bathroom here. I will show you the bathroom. The bathroom here is a double vanity sink. I like it, but I think it's a bit low. I don't know, just my perception, because it's like, well, maybe the fact that I'm also wearing heels, right? But it's like I will have to bend over a lot, so that's kind of very, I don't know. Maybe this is built especially with kids in mind, but this is a very low sink in my opinion. I love the fact that it's private shower and toilet. So, you know, maybe one person is here, you know, brushing their teeth or whatever it is, and the other is utilizing the bathroom and the toilet. And I do like the choice of flooring in here. The tile, I think tile, in my opinion, tile is very appropriate in bathroom settings, but I know so many of you will disagree with me in the comments. So let me know, what is your choice of flooring in the bathroom? All right, so now let's enter here into this other bedroom that is connected, you know, to the other one through the bathroom. And this bedroom, guys, as well, it's a bit smaller in my opinion than the other one we just saw. This one, do you know what, even though it's smaller, I think you can still hold a king size bed in here if you needed to, or probably, you know, 2 twins or whatever it is with, you know, with dressers or nightstands in the middle. So you can definitely accommodate that in this space. And then once again, as I mentioned, the closets are very spacious. This closet seems to me like it's bigger than the other closet. Isn't that funny? Smaller room, bigger closet, bigger room, smaller closet. Maybe that's the trade-off there, right? But I do like it. It's very nice. It's a bit dim in here as well. But, you know, you win some, you lose some, right? All right. Actually, I think it's also dependent on the type of bulbs, because looking at this, these bulbs are very yellow. And if you want a room, this is just a tip, right? So if you want a space to feel very open and very lit, I wouldn't necessarily advise on the yellow bulb, especially with this color of wall. This is like a beigeish wall, right? So if you want a room to feel more open, I would advise you go with a more white tone bulb, because it plays off of this wall and it makes it seem that much more open. And you don't always necessarily need to, I guess, have multiple lights and lamps in here as well. Okay, so let's head on out here. So we come out here, it's a hallway, right? It transitions right into a hallway. So right over there on my, I guess on my right as of now, would be where the loft area was, if you remember. So the loft kind of, it goes down this hallway into the laundry space here, the laundry room. And, ooh, automatic lights. I love it. No touch. So this is a very spacious laundry room. I think it's big enough for your washer and dryer, no matter what size. And also if you have pets, this can be their little hangout spots, right? As you can see, storage space for pets. You can drop their container of water and things like that and food in here. So this is a very nice size laundry area. Cool. And then we go down still that same hallway, right? And then this is a bathroom here. The door is just closed, but we're gonna go in. And so this is one of the bathrooms here that's attached to, I guess this is the 4th bedroom here. Yeah, so we are in here. This again has been converted into an office space. But guys, remember what I told you, Lennar rooms are very, very spacious. So this again, like the other rooms we've seen here, can definitely hold a king size bed. So amazing feature. And the rooms are completely carpeted. I don't think you really have that option to convert it to hardwood if you wanted to. And then we enter this closet. This closet doesn't have a window, but hey, like I said earlier, right? Win some, lose some. But this closet is very, very big and spacious as well. So it's very nice, very nice. I wouldn't use a yellow bulb though, white bulb. Cool, so why don't we go check out the master or the owner's suite, which is also on the 2nd floor. Come along with me, let's check it out. We're going down this hallway again. And how beautiful is this owner's suite? This owner's suite is huge. It's very, very spacious. I love the design. The stager or the home decor personnel, whoever stages, I love the choice in here. In the last video I put out in this community, the ranch style home with a twist, somebody pointed out it. They said, oh, whoever staged a home must have a love for green. And so you can see that here again, right? It's playing out here again, the love of green, even though this one is not really completely green, but it's still that hint of green. So I do love that. And it's very big. I love the 2 big windows. It allows that much more light. And something that I pointed out in the last video in this community was a play on the mirrors. So these 2 mirrors here actually make this space look that much bigger. And so that's really cool for whoever it is. If you're looking to kind of like make your home feel that much bigger, add a couple of mirrors along the wall like this or something like this, or check out my video ranch style home with twist and check out the living space area and see what the home stagers did in there. That was really, really great because it made that space feel that much bigger. So the same thing is happening here, which I think is completely awesome. So now let's go over here and check out this owner's bath. It's very nice, tile flooring here yet again in here. And you have a tub and you have a shower, a walk-in shower. And I love this huge window here. Right here, guys, that's awesome. You know, imagine after a long day, you're just sitting here and then the light is just hitting you. It's like, ugh, amazing. And then I do like that, you know, these sinks are a little bit higher. So I was right because the other one was low. If you can see, like standing here, I don't have to like squat low or anything like that because this is higher. And I do love that, you know, this is a private toilet here. So you can just handle your business in peace, you know? Handle your stuff in peace without any disturbance. Okay, so let's check out this closet, which is basically, in my opinion, a room on its own. Very nice closet here. You can kind of separate it if you wanted him and her and her, whatever you wanted. You can have like split it up into one side, and then I guess the middle can be kind of like a common shared space. Just shooting out ideas, you know? But yeah, so why don't we go upstairs now and we're gonna check out the 3rd floor here and see what that entails. Come along with me. Okay, we are now here on the 3rd floor. The 3rd floor, very similarly to the 2nd floor, is not as bright. I do apologize for that. It's not much I can do there. I would probably, if it was me, I would install a central light here using a white bulb to make it that much brighter in here. But yeah, so this is a much bigger loft area here. And as you can see, this is kind of like the game room or the game area. And you see they have some chess here, some ping pong there, movie night, popcorn stuff. So it's pretty cool. However, this one only has one room up here. So this door here is actually storage to the attic. How cool is that? And it kind of wraps around. And I think this door down here too is the same thing. This is just storage as well. Oh, timely, how timely, right? Christmas season. So after Thanksgiving, right, you want to put your tree up. This is the perfect time. And then we're gonna go right over here, which is the 5th bathroom that we haven't looked at yet. This 5th bathroom is very nice as well. The hint of green. Whoever designed this home or staged this home obviously has love for green. So you can see that here, even in this 5th bathroom. And then this bathroom connects into this bedroom. This bedroom, again, has a hint of green. So it's nice, it's pretty nice. I love it. I think this one too, this room can definitely, this is a queen size bed here, but you can definitely hold a king in here as well. And you can even get away with 2 nightstands as you see here with the king. I'm almost confident of that. And you know, you have your choice of your style of dressers that you wanted to add here. I feel like you can even add something a bit longer as well if you wanted to. You have enough space in this room for that. And guys, all the Lennar homes that we've toured today, they've actually felt very, very spacious that you can get away with a king, dressers on both sides, and not dressers, nightstands on both sides, and very nice sized dressers. And also, one thing I like about this one here, it shows you that you can also house a desk here if you wanted it. So I love that, that's pretty cool. Okay, and per usual, we're gonna look at the closet here. And this closet is very, very spacious as well. This one doesn't have a window, so it does feel kind of a lot darker in here, but you get the size. It's a very, very nice size closet. So this could be the room, I don't know, if you have a family member that, you know, maybe they're visiting and they just wanted their own privacy. This on the 3rd floor, that's what I would do. I would make this a guest room actually for family or whoever it is that's in town and just visiting, because they have their own privacy, they have their own bathroom, and they have their own common area or shared space where they don't always have to be so confined in their room. So there are endless opportunities here of what you can do in this home. And so just following that, we are back out here into the loft area. And as I mentioned, so this door as well is also just entryway to the storage or the attic. And yeah, so we are back here in the loft area. So there you have it, guys. As I mentioned, this home is built by Lennar. This community is called Lennar Chateau. It is a 6-bedroom, 5.5 bath. And the base price is about that $398,000, and this is a little over 4,000 square foot. So if you're interested, in this home or any home in Charlotte or South Carolina, I want you to shoot me an email. You can find me at victoriaBAO@costellorei.com, or you can visit my social media, Instagram and Facebook, or Twitter at VictoriaBAO Realtor. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.